Hello everyone, welcome to the channel.
Hi guys. Hi guys. We're on the way to the
Chicken coop.
chicken coop.
To the coop, to the coop, to the coop, coop, coop. Hey, look who's out.
Yeah, look at that guys.
He been sick.
So we have a lot of roaster here.
You've been sick, my little friend, haven't you, huh?
We quarantine.
You okay now? Huh? When will those be better? Are they better yet?
So this one, they have some cold also.
Yeah.
So we put them in the quarantine area.
Yeah.
Maybe because of the weather here is changing. It's been raining yesterday, baby, sprinkle.
Yeah.
And today it's been hot today, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, it's been real hot today.
So we're gonna go to the chicken coop.
GMV Enterprise.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the GNV Enterprise. Sa kuan lang, sa Birnis lang ya. Sa hapon ba kay ato pa mig San Carlos. So we're gonna transfer our roaster and the hen.
Yep. Hello.
We're gonna do some incubation. We're gonna incubate again.
Hey guys.
Be careful, Biha. Because maybe they're gonna step your random legs. Hi guys. Look at them.
They know something's up.
We got lucky that most of our chicken here inside, they're not being sick. Only the one we turned them
Free.
loose. The one we turned loose outside, right?
Yeah. We want to start with the silkies. I want this white silky, the black silky.
So we're gonna
No, Jack.
put them in this pen here.
Yeah. They're going to do silkies.
Ang una daw, kanadang kuan daw, kanang silky nga ito, mo puti.
Yeah. That silky there, the white one. Thought we had
We're
a,
gonna do the silky first. The white silky and the black one. We're gonna put them in the 110.
I gotta find my black rooster.
So we're gonna give them some food so that we can touch them.
Yeah, that one.
That one.
Get some sky flakes.
Huh?
I borrowed the key for
Later
that.
only, later, Virgin, later. Because it's,
I borrow yours.
You don't have to wait. It won't be long.
just eat some bread there. We already feed them this afternoon, but we give them extra foods because it's hard for them to catch
We
when
want both white ones.
This one? The white one?
There's another white one over there.
this one also
Yeah.
white. Kanang duha ka puti day. They know that we're after with them. Virgin is there. It's okay, the Rhode Island Red, we can turn them loose here outside, all of them.
Yeah, we'll just separate the black.
O katurang puti
The
o
white.
ito. Only the black and the white, right?
Yeah.
Virgin. You just eat some rice. There's foods there. And We need to be gorgeous that can survive without sweets. No, you need to drink water instead of soft drinks, which is not good for you, Virgil. So we're gonna put this on this pen here, the white hen and the selkie. We're gonna put
The
this.
black silky at.
They're following me. Naunsa siya?
Lublog siya, bisa mo itlog.
Nilublob siya?
Lalo ng buntag.
Unsa ni kaon?
What's wrong with her?
He's been in the nest since this morning.
Oh, she's trying to set on eggs.
There's no eggs in the nest. You just try to set there.
Oh, she's about ready to lay an egg.
Huh? Noisy.
Yeah, she's trying to lay an egg.
What else? The black one.
I want to take all these black ones,
Katong itom day. Katipon dito.
all the black hens,
Over here. Oh,
put them in with that white rooster.
pwede ni siya buhian na lang.
Sabong sila.
That one is very aggressive.
Oh, okay.
That rooster there inside is very aggressive. so
Okay, then we'll use
him loose.
use one of the this black rooster right here would be fine.
Where we gonna put?
We can use that
Ay
one.
butang daw diri ang kanang itom day. Nana ni laki diri nga kuan. We need to put some male here.
So we got to find one.
Yeah. Asa man?
What I'm looking for my silky rooster there.
Asa man tong silky nga.
I think that's him.
laki?
You can use that one over there.
So we're looking for the roaster.
Yeah, that one right there,
roaster
yeah.
We can put on this pen here. So we have 3 selkie here, 3 female. It's hard to open this one. So we have 3 female selkie here. So we're gonna put the male here inside. So we're gonna put the roaster. So that's the silky.
Hey, guy, do me a good job.
So that's the black silky roaster.
Yeah, he got silky in him. It'll work. Yeah.
It's combination of brown.
Huh?
It's combination of Rhode Island red.
Yeah, he's mostly silky. See?
Okay, it's a silky, but the color is just
Yeah, he's mixed with the Rhode Island.
yeah, it's mixed with the Rhode Island.
I don't have a pure silky rooster right now.
Only one,
Yeah,
2,
one.
one only.
Yeah.
So we put some 1 silky roaster on that pen there.
Yeah, I only want 1 rooster and maximum 3 hens. Because when you put too many hens, they don't get fertile.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Bing.
That's the rooster I want with him.
Unsa na siya day? Black astrolor?
He wants to come in there.
Kana isulod daw ko no nipon.
Open the door for him. He wants to go in. Yeah, let him in.
Yeah, I told her.
Yeah.
So maybe after a week, they be fertile, right?
Yeah. Yeah, be purebred.
How about what's the name then? What you call without the brown one?
Yeah.
The golden buff? Is that golden buff?
Yeah.
So we
Oh,
put-
there's another silky.
where?
That red one over
silky po guro ninday o nang brown ba? Ha? Ibutang na daw dire itipon pareho.
Yeah. See her?
Bi isilky lang tanan dire itipon sila ba? So maybe we need to put 2 roaster in this pen
They
here.
fight if they're in that small space.
Hmm. What if he can't do it?
Oh, he will.
Because it's many.
He ain't got that many. Hey, big guy. Yeah. Yeah. Do me a good job, okay?
That another female silky there. I think that's a new layer. That
Yeah.
one, that's
Yeah.
silky because
I figured she was.
yeah, because only small eggs. It's a new layer.
She's wanting to lay an egg. Yeah.
Ha? Walay.
Yeah, she egg.
Okay, ni dako naman to siya. What else? This
see.
one over here. We need to put more black astrolorp inside.
I only got
Female.
2 hens.
Ay, wala naman na black astrolorp na bayi, no? There. That's all.
That's all we got.
Maura siguro ko. Na may kuan. Maura man na. Ha? How about that one?
He's a rooster.
Rooster man na. Ha? Ha? Unsaon man? Di. Oh, di. Pwede itipon naman bitaw na. Di man na ikulong. We just turn him loose too so that we have more bread on that roaster there. This
Okay.
roaster ba?
Well, you want to put him in there?
No. Only turn it loose here outside for the hens. For the Rhode Island red hen.
Yeah.
We just put it here, turn them loose. Mm. She said that they love to lay eggs when they can climb.
Yeah.
They don't want the nest in the ground
Mm.
because they used to do it ba when they climb, when they
Yeah.
lay eggs instead of the grounds, because one of our nests here we put it in the ground instead of hanging the top. So I show you guys. So this is our new pen here. So we just put the nest here in the ground instead of hanging out there at the top. So some of our Rhode Island red hens,
What's going on there,
they
big
want
guy?
to lay that they can climb. They want the nest to be higher instead in the ground. So some of all of our Rhode Island red hens and the rooster, we turn them loose here.
Well, she put all the babies back in?
I don't know. Let's check out the baby here. Come here, let's check, baby. Oh, they're getting bigger.
Yeah, they're big enough to turn loose.
Hi there.
Hey, guys.
Di ba ni siya pwede buhian daw, Day? We can turn them loose because some of our... Ay! My baby, look! Hey! Don't! Daddy, why you close?
He was in the way and I couldn't.
Oh. Because that rooster is very aggressive. That's why she not want them to turn them loose outside, because some of our rooster here is very aggressive.
Mm.
And maybe they gonna kill them, maybe.
Yeah, I
Because they're
understand.
still small. So this one here, the baby, we don't turn them loose because some of our rooster outside, they are very aggressive. So look at them. They're getting bigger, so they're not ready yet to go outside. Tag-asa mga liog sa uban, no? Ay! Sulod eh. Dagere.
You gonna let me get into the food?
Wala rin sila na kuan diri day gisip-on. Oh, look at that. Asa ma?
That'll keep them busy.
Nay namatay. Pila? Tulo ka buok ang isip-on. Dayon. Gipatay niya ang manok. There's a rat came this morning and he killed one of our chicks.
Really?
Yeah. One of our chicks. Look at the hole there. It's a big hole.
Oh.
Saan lang siya pagpuan. So, the rat, guys, is entering this big hole here. Even though we put some stones, we're gonna dig it in the bottom. So, one of our chicks died because the rat killed him. So, we have some chicks here. In this pen here, we have so 3 of our chicks here. It's been dying because of the cold, and one of them is the rat is been eating. So, even though we put a lot of stones in the ground,
I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but
rats still digging.
they're knocking that food out.
So we have also a trap for the rat, but they are very smart. Huh? Mm. So we have baby chicks here. Some of them are bigger. Dako naman yung usa dayo gisipon eh. Namatay man lagi itong ang tulo, namatay. Oh, they don't have a cold, guys. The rat eat 3 of our chicks here. Been dying because of the rat eat them.
Maybe we can set the trap.
Ha? Nakasayang ato day. Oh my God, what we gonna do, babe? Di been digging, baby. Maybe ato na lang guro nita. Pero sa pikas,
We got those traps. Can she set those?
katong utangan guro pagkaon ng trap ba? Yeah, she gonna put the trap. Yes, we have another selkie here.
Yeah, I see
Black
that.
one.
I seen a black one. I was supposed to see
Nakasayang
another.
ato no, tulo ka buo. Gani. Look at the chest of that black one there. Look at the chest. The color
Yeah,
is different.
pretty pretty.
Yeah. 2 of them, look. Look. There's a like white and black combination.
Yeah.
Sa ako na ko ano. Di ako namutang ang hilo ko kaya makaon niya no.
Abire, pikas. Ano pikas ng butang?
Wala man po tayo hilo.
I left my phone out there on the porch.
Phone. Your phone is here.
Oh,
I do video. You're funny, B.
I thought you were using your phone
Are
for
you
some
okay?
reason. I must not be. I'm getting senile, getting old.
You're funny. He was looking his phone, but I was holding his phone. Video. Hopefully, buddy, don't bother it anymore, daddy.
Hopefully.
Dagan para ba kay gagmay, day? Pero di na sila pwede kakuan. Kasi makabatog na sila ba?
Ang dagko, makabato. Kung kita ka ni kamera mo, mato ka ng mga dagko. Daglag na.
I was asking if you
You
can...
know, they got all that space out there, and they plant them banana trees right up against us.
That's what I was complaining because they plant it, then the rat will gonna climb. So one of our neighbor guys, the brother of the owner of this property, her brother is planting some banana next to our coop. It's very close to the fence.
Boy, it was within inches.
So the rat will gonna climb to that banana tree and gonna go to our chicken coop. So that's not nice of them. They plant a lot of bananas there.
And they got all that open space with nothing in it.
Yeah, di to nasa tunga gibutang kuan no. So we have a lot of rats here because they gonna climb
Yeah.
that banana tree. Be.
Yeah.
Ito, unsa lagi kaon katong kuan? Unsay color?
Ana, inana na color.
Rhode Island red.
Ano itong putusa.
Sayang ato eh. Pero wala gidungan.
Dungan oy.
Ang tulo, kano saman?
Saan ba?
Ay, kagunita man. Kano saman?
Nila.
Labasin mausbang ugma, simbako lang ba? My God, this morning it happens this morning, Daddy. 3 of them, they are chicks. So you're gonna put the trap, ha?
Kaya kasi wala sotra dire. Wala sa gato.
Well, there'll be a hole right there.
Ha? Yeah.
Ako ko nang gibutangan ko doon ko nang gato.
There's a lot of hole ba? That rat is very smart. See? Even though you put stones on it, they still
Yeah, I
digging
know.
on it.
Anything in here?
Nothing. That's what. Maybe that's where we put the trap
Yeah,
inside because there's no chicken there.
yeah. There's a trap right here at this hole.
Ha?
You put a trap right here at this hole.
Ibutang guro diri ang trap day. Di sa bangag ba? Oh.
Yeah.
Butan ko ang gawas ko. Kung niya ano nila mapit ang liog nagkuan.
Gani, cause if you put it inside outside, baby, some of our hens will gonna eat and they gonna
They
trap.
can't get inside of it.
Ha?
They're too big to get inside.
You're gonna hold this for me cause I'm gonna get some kalamunggay tree, please.
I guess I'm the official cameraman now. Check out.
Ha?
Check out.
What chick?
You,
Funny.
Filipino chick.
Some kalamunggay. Hi! Look. They love this. We have a lot of kalamunggay tree.
Yeah. They'll like the papaya too when they get big enough. I think my lens is dirty. Guys, pardon me just for a second.
I'm gonna put this on my mungo soup.
Okay.
This one. Unom. 6 eggs today.
We got a couple not laid yet. Well, I want to head back to the house.
You want to end that one? You want to end, or you want me to hold it?
Yeah, you can finish it and I'll shut down.
It's okay. I can go to the house because I'm gonna prepare. So
Okay.
we have this kalamunggay tree, guys. Ay, kalamunggay leaf. I got this one over there. Na kalamunggay. Ato sa balik sa mida ako sa ring ko anon. So I'm gonna put this on my mungo soup. It's fresh. We have a lot of kalamunggay tree in there. And also the chicken loves it. And we have some lemongrass in here on this side. That's good for the soup. And look at that big leaf of kalamunggay. Oh, we have more in there.
Where you been?
Let's go back to the house.
I haven't seen you all day.
Look at, oh, really.
Hello.
Look at that today. Very tall, that kalamunggay tree.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
they need to be trimmed a little bit before it gets too big.
many.
Know that? They need to trim it before it
That's
gets too
inside in
tall.
our chicken coop.
Yeah. Before it gets too tall.
Let's go there.
Before it gets too big, we can't manage it.
And we have some jackfruit in here. Jackfruit. So it's a bad news, right? Because that rat still
Yeah.
after.
Yeah, we had them thinned out for a long time. The cats did. Now I guess they got lazy,
Yeah.
feeding them too much.
Oh my God! What again tonight? What if they go back, Derby?
We just have to try to manage them. That's all we can do.
So I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching, and we really do appreciate all of you for.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for the love and support and for the generosity. We really do appreciate it all. And we will see you all on our next video. Thank you so much, guys.